Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm drawing easy bird drawing for kids. We'll start with the basic sketch. We'll draw two circles for the body. After the basic sketch, I am giving the proper form of a bird. I'll draw this line from its face till the upper part of its tail for the wings. Now erase the extra lines and refine the look a bit more. Now draw feathers this way. For beak, draw curves on both sides of the triangle and then erase the triangle. Double draw for the feet. I'll erase the rest of it. So guys, if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends too. Let me know in the comment section what you want to see in the next video and subscribe for more such content. Thanks for watching.